Hi babes, welcome. Today we are revisiting how to make this snowflakes Christmas inspired hairstyle or braid design. First of all, you want to have a round circle, make a line from top to bottom. Now we are going to share each of those halves into 3 parts. If you're confused, look at the pencil illustration I did on the side. So we are sharing it into 3 and doing the same thing for the other side. At the end of it, we are going to have 6 different sections. Now we are going to make this triangle shape along the lines of those. We have 6 lines, so next to these 6 lines you're going to make these small triangle sections on the left hand side and on the right hand side, and then you're going to proceed to braid this down. Remember, we have 6 lines for the 6 parts. Each of them is going to have a braid on top of those lines, but you're going to make small sections of triangle on the left hand side, on the right hand side. Put those 2 triangles together and braid them on top of that line. Repeat the same thing for the 6 sections, and when we are done, we'll continue from there. When you are done with the 6, you will notice that you have this triangle letter Y looking space of braided hair remaining, right? It's like wider on the outside and then it tapers into the middle. You're going to have 6 of these because we have done the 6 of the lines demarcating them. So let me go ahead and finish up the middle braids and then we'll continue from there. I am going to illustrate it on this paper again so that you will not be confused. So I am just darkening the Y sections so that you can see. I mean like the letter Y, like a funnel. So make a line straight up like this, sharing that Y into 3 on top, and then make small triangles on top of each of those branches. Then you braid it down. Do the same thing for the middle one, braid it down. When you get to that point, you join the 3 of them together and braid them as one. So now we are going to do it on one of these sections and you will see. This is the first small part and this is the second small part. So my letter Y now has one part on the left, one part on the line, and the straight section in the middle. Now I am going to proceed and make that triangular shape on top of these 3 different parts. This is going to give you that snowflakey zigzag design at the end of, on top of the snowflakes. So once I do that, I am going to braid this tiny section down into where it is going to meet its 2 siblings. So just braid it down and leave it. You go over to the one on the right hand side, braid it down and leave it. We would braid the one in the middle last because when you braid it to where these other 2 stopped, then you would add the 2 and braid all of them down into one. So braid the left hand first or the right hand first, braid left and right, then braid the middle one down, add the left and right braids, and then move towards the center of our snowflakes. When we repeat this all around, we are going to get that beautiful design. It looks complicated, but I have explained it as best as I can. If you have any questions, do ask me.